Day 2 here at TriggrCon 2023 in beautiful Wichita, Kansas. That is the show floor down below. We're going to go down there, talk with some pretty cool companies, check out some pretty neat products. We'll meet you down there. Let's go. Here with Gideon Optics, going to check out some cool red dots and honestly green dots too. How are you, man?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Awesome. So everybody out there, I'm sure, wants to know what's the most popular one in your lineup.
So our most popular one is the Omega. So it's our nice big competition window. Comes in red or green, like you said. 50,000 hour battery life. 3 MOA dot. 70-75 aluminum. Real glass on the glass there, so nothing plastic to get scratched up.
Right.
Yeah, that's our most popular one.
Man, that looks solid. And red and green.
Red and green. Yep. Retails about $229 on that.
Yeah. And then the newest. What's the newest to the lineup?
The newest is probably the Mediator coming out in green.
Okay.
So we'll have that in about maybe 6 to 8 weeks. And that's got a multi-reticle in it, so you can go from a dot to just a circle and then a circle dot. And right now it's red. About 8 weeks we'll have it in green as well.
Have it in the green too, yeah. Yep. That's an interesting setup. What's the story behind the...
So it's an acro footprint.
Okay.
So yes, that's how you're seeing it on the G19 there, but we also run them on ARs, shotguns. I've one on an MP5 with a low mount.
Okay.
So that kind of does
got a lot more versatility,
yeah.
Right? Yeah, on that one. Yeah, I totally get it. And then the smallest one. Let's go ahead and talk about that one because there's a lot of small compact handguns out there nowadays.
Right.
That's tiny.
Yeah. So this is the Judge RMSC footprint. So that's going to fit all your micro compacts like a P365 SIG.
Right.
Springfield Hellcat, Glock 43. Red and green. 3 MOA dot.
That is tiny. And it can't weigh anything.
Yeah. Very light.
But that's aluminum too, isn't it?
Yeah, they're all aluminum.
Wow.
Yep.
In the tiny, you would think most companies would scrimp and go with like poly or something crazy.
Yeah, you could
like
just save on
right?
some weight, but we want it to be a durable, long-lasting product.
Actually have some good stuff.
Right. They also have motion to awake as well. So as soon as you pick it up, it kicks on to whatever the last setting was.
Yeah, and that's great. And shake awake available on the whole lineup?
Yep, the whole lineup.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, appreciate the time. Thanks for joining us on this one from TriggrCon. That'll do it for this one. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.